Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. I'm here. I'm alone. It is like 6 o'clock in the morning. I didn't sleep. I couldn't sleep, so I came back out bright early and I started tearing this wall apart more. So let me show you what I got so far. It rained last night. I left my shoes at the door. So I want to get the subfloor wet. This door is leaking right up here now, so it's the bottom of the door's destroyed. Don't know when that happened. That wall is bad. The bottom wall up in there is all bad. As you see, there's not much water damage, but there is water damage there. So I used my oscillating saw to cut mainly right here where the support beam goes, just without cutting the support beam, across right before it. You can see there's a metal beam right there and there. And I'm now scraping this off the foam to get rid of that rotten area. And then I don't know how thick this is. I think it's 1/8 of an inch. It could be smaller. I really don't know, because this I can't go by this measurement because it's already peeling. I'm gonna have to go by this measurement when I take this off, how thick that is. But I'm just sitting here with where did I put it? Where did I put it? Oh, sitting here with a scraper, going down scraping. I can tell I dug into it a little bit. I don't care. I don't think it'll make much of a difference. I'd really love to take this foam out and put spray foam in here, but I don't have the time or money to do that. So I'm just trying to get some of this dirt out of here. We had a rainstorm last night, and before I pulled this part of the wall off, you see the drips? It was coming through right here. So somewhere on the outside wall is a leak, or there's a leak on the roof, coming down the wall, coming in here down. I don't know. Obviously the leak is not continuing there. I think that was because I had the window open. So we're just gonna cut all this out. Go get some. It starts with an L. I forget what it's called. To put here, or plywood. I might get plywood. I don't know. To put here and patch this wall up today. So I got that whole one section done. I did notice that right here, this foam is delaminating from the outside, because the this is glued onto it on both sides. So I'm gonna have to cut a hole on the other side and try to reattach that at the bottom. Well, that might be why. Hopefully that's not the outside wall that is doing it. But yeah. Yeah, there's water in this track. I don't know if I said that already, but that is really bothering me. I don't know how it got there. I'm gonna try to get it out. Maybe it came from up there in front of that. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna have to replace that. I think I can get away with that. I think. If I just it peeled, never mind. I have to replace it. I got the jumper cables on. I took a break from this wall and I took up the door panel off because this window has never worked. It goes down, and when you push it to go up, you feel it binding. So I'm gonna try to get it to go up quick. Alright, so I put it up all the way, make sure it went up, and I put it back down. Now I'm gonna show you how slow it goes up. Very, very weak window motor, but it works. So now it's finally up. All the windows are closed on this thing. Never mind. Or one's not closed still. Shit. Alright, well, at least rubber cables are working for this, luckily. So I'm gonna put the door panel back on, and I'm done with this one. I just noticed this wire came undone. I don't have any butt connectors with me, so I'm not going to worry about this right now. But I know for next time I'll take this back apart and fix that. But for now, I'm gonna put the door panel back on. I'm taking an oxygen break, but obviously you knew I already got that one. I got this whole section done. I gotta do there yet. Then I can do this one, and then I gotta go up a little bit more right there. So we'll see. You know, that looks a hell of a lot better. I have a little bit down there left, right there left. The rock does not go past that carpet, surprisingly. So I got lucky there. I'm gonna end up going home, taking a break quick, because it is hot as hell. I'm gonna go home, take a break. I'll come back. I'll cut the rest of that out. Well, I guess I gotta scrape that off. And I'm gonna sand the metal surfaces quickly, just so I can get new adhesive to stick to it properly. And then we're gonna throw this wall back together. And then I gotta get I gotta peel the wallpaper. I have wood putty somewhere. I am not sure where it is. It's gotta be somewhere. Oh, the shade fell back off. It's gotta be somewhere in here. Because right there's my whatchamacallit. There goes. What is it? After this is grout. Here, that's grout. I'm stupid, so ow, there's a thing there. Maybe it's in my car somewhere. I gotta clean my car out anyway. So I'm gonna go home, take a break. I'll be back out here and get this wall finished up. I decided to cut that next section out and scrape more of that out. Now I'm gonna go home and take a break. So you just saw the second part now to the 2 videos I had when I'm in the hospital. As soon as I get back out, we will get back to work again. And I have the whole outside of the RV torn apart. I have more that I've done, just I didn't record it. Because obviously I got sick, I didn't feel good, I was trying to get it done. But as soon as I get back, I'll show you guys what all I got done and everything like that. I should be getting out this weekend, hopefully. But I did get really, really sick. I stopped breathing on my own. So, we're back. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.